Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Camtasia from Windows and clean Registry, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Camtasia from your Windows system, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. Click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, select Programs or Programs and Features. Locate Camtasia in the list of installed programs. Click on Camtasia to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to remove Camtasia from your computer. Once the uninstallation process is complete, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Next, to clean the registry, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type regedit into the Run dialog and press Enter to open the registry editor. Before making any changes, it's advisable to back up your registry. To do this, click on File in the top left corner and select Export. Choose a location to save the backup, name it appropriately, and click Save. Now, in the registry editor, click Edit in the menu and then choose Find. Type Camtasia into the search box and click Find Next. If any entries related to Camtasia appear, right-click on them and repeat the deletion process until no more entries are found. Once completed, close the registry editor. Finally, restart your computer one more time to ensure all changes are finalized. Camtasia is now fully uninstalled, and the registry has been cleaned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.